Three things you must avoid before starting a business. These three things must be avoided with everything in you, just like you avoid anything that is poisonous. But before we get to these three things, I really want to welcome those who are coming to this channel for the very first time. It is my sincere pleasure to have you here. I really appreciate you, and please do not go away because I have so many things packaged for you coming on this channel. We upload videos every Friday by 8 p.m. and you should just hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of the videos by turning on the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to receive our quality content based on business that is coming to you on a weekly basis. Today, I have three things that you must avoid before going into business. But before I discuss that, I would also be giving you three business ideas at the end of the video. So make sure you stay around and do not go away. We are here to the end. Yes? Yes. All right, let's move in. Number one. One of the things you must avoid when starting a business is the mindset of I want to make money. I do laugh about this because so many people just come and they'll be like, I want to make money. Why do you want to start a business? I want to make money. Starting a business is not always about coming to make money. If you're actually coming to make money, can I tell you the truth? You will not make a dime. If that is all you have in mind, you are not going to make a dime. And that's because coming to business is not about money that you will make. If you place your mind on the money you will make, you will get frustrated because business is about learning over time. You have to commit to learning. You have to commit to following a strategy that have been proven to work for years. You are not coming to make money in business. I mean, that is one thing why people start a business to make money, or if that is your primary goal of starting a business, you will not make money. Number two, don't start a business just because you heard others are making money from it. Maybe because your closest friends is making money and so you jumped into it. My dear, if you start that way, you are going to be frustrated, you're going to be tired, you're going to regret why you joined the business. Now, like I said earlier, starting a business is not about how much you make or what others are making from it. Starting a business is something you have to make up your mind within yourself to stay and learn and follow through. Because most of the people who I have met, they just started a business, no plan, nothing. They are not ready for business. Is just like a young child who is born today and they started training the person. The person starts sitting, from sitting, he gets to crawl, from crawling, he gets to stand, and even now the person can run. So you see, you have to commit your time to business. You don't just come into business because you want to make money and get out of here. My dear, business will kick you and you will fail in flying colors. Number three, you do not start a business, and I repeat, you are not going to start a business with a short-term thinking mentality. If you have short-term thinking, like people who want to make money in 1 week, people who want to make money in 90 days, they just put that time there, and when the time is passed and they are not making a dime, they say it's a scam, it's not true, and a lot of things. See, the reason why those with Ponzi schemes succeeded on our heads years ago is because we were thinking short term. So they will come and say, invest 10,000 and get 20,000 or 30,000 in 45 minutes. Your short term mentality is going to destroy you. Do not start a business because you want to make money today. If you start, my dear, you are going to fail in flying colors. Business require 10 years from now, that's what you should be thinking. 20 years from now, 5 years from now, 7 years from now. Just think long term and do not think short term, because short term thinking will jeopardize you and your plan. So let's move on to the suggestion I have for you if you are going to start an online business today. Okay, number one of those profitable online business that you can do right now with just your smartphone is Amazon book publishing. You see, once you become an Amazon book publisher, you publish these books by yourself, and then you do not have to be a writer before you can sell books on Amazon. So do not fear. Amazon book publishing is one of the things you can do online with just a smartphone, and you are making money even in dollars. Now, I am not saying this to get you excited. I'm saying this because I am here to help you. If you want to continue with this, I want you to go to the description of this video and to meet me on WhatsApp, where I will guide you for free on how to start a business with Amazon book publishing. And then number 2 on my list is affiliate marketing. I know you have heard that so many times, but you really don't understand how this thing works. So you are thinking, affiliate marketing, how now? Oh man, affiliate marketing is an oil well business. I mean, it is a blood money business. If you're starting an affiliate marketing business today, there is every guarantee that you're going to hit it big if you continue. The thing with affiliate marketer is that they are so in haste. Everybody wants to make money today. If you come with such mindset, I have already told you, you will fail in flying colors. So if you are actually there and you're looking out that affiliate marketing is cool, I have a book I wrote, and I'm going to give you the ebook version. The title is The Walkway to Affiliate Marketing. This is a beginner's guide and is so friendly. You can just get this book for free by going to the description of this video and tap on the link that will bring you to where you will have this book for free. Another one, which is the third one before we end this video, is mini importation. You see, a lot of people do not understand that mini importation is very lucrative. Now, it is very lucrative in the sense that if you are able to have a way you learn how it works very well. Imagine you have your way to buy goods from China and then you bring it down here in Nigeria. My dear, it is going to sell. And I'm speaking because I'm currently in Nigeria. And if you find your way around this business, please grab it with 2 hands. You can also come down to the description of this link and get a guide on how to start properly on mini importation, because that business is so lucrative. Oh yes, thank you so much for watching. Like, sincerely speaking, it's been amazing to have you here. So give this video a thumbs up